You know what's wild? I spent all of my high school years drawing every day, practicing so hard, filling sketchbooks, and yet not even once in all that time did I even think I was going to do this professionally. Not because I didn't love art, I was obsessed. I was copying all my favorite anime characters, I was even doing drawing drills. But for some reason, it never clicked for me that this could actually be a real career. I didn't have anyone around me who was a professional artist, so I didn't even know that this was a real thing that you could be. I thought I would be a vet or maybe a book editor. Art was just my passion. But this all changed in my last year of high school. It was career day and our school invited a bunch of different professionals to give talks about what they do. And one of the people invited was a commercial illustrator. So I was really intrigued and I went. I was completely blown away. He showed us what he did, how he got paid, that someone actually paid him to create all this artwork for ads and packaging. When I came home that day, I spent the whole night researching on the internet all the different art careers that were possible, and all these things popped up that I had never known about. That was the moment that I knew I'm going to do this one day. I don't know how yet, but I'm going to do this and I'm going to make this happen. From that day forward, it wasn't a matter of if I was going to be a professional illustrator, but how I was going to be one and how was I going to make that work. But here's the thing that no one tells you when you're just starting out. There are actually so many different ways to make money with our art. There isn't just one path, there's hundreds, and it can be really confusing and overwhelming. And most of these possible paths are not even things that are commonly spoken of. Most of them you won't ever hear about. Not in school, and not even after years working as a professional artist. This is wild, but this is what happened to me. I went through several years of art school, and then I worked for 3 years as an in-house artist at a mobile game studio. And after that, I spent another 3 years freelancing as a picture book illustrator. And it wasn't until after all of that, 6 years into my career, that for the first time, I heard about surface design. Isn't that crazy? But when I discovered surface design, it was like being hit by lightning all over again. Just like that career day all those years ago. I was like, wait a minute, people are making cute art like this and they're licensing it for stationery, fabrics, wallpaper. You can create a fun little collection in a week and possibly make money from it for years. It completely changed the course of my career. I started over from scratch. I even left my agent at the time. But all I could think of was, why didn't I know about this sooner? There are so many different ways to build a sustainable, successful art career. You can do picture books, Etsy, licensing, selling merch, working with brands, freelancing, Patreon, wholesale, YouTube, selling digital products. The list goes on and on and on. But most artists only hear about a few of these options. And the one that's just perfect for you maybe has flown completely under your radar. So I decided to do something about that. I want to do what that commercial illustrator did for me at that career day all those years ago. He opened up a whole new world for me. And I'm at the point in my career where I think maybe I can help do the same for you. So I'm organizing and hosting a very special free online event, and I'm calling it the Profitable Artist Summit. It's going to happen between June 18th and June 20th, so it's a 3-day event. I gathered 23 incredible artists, illustrators, and creative business owners, people who are doing some amazing things with their art, and I asked them to spill the beans, to share the real behind the scenes of how they make money with their art, what worked, what didn't, and how you can do it too. This is a 3-day online event with over 20 talks for you to watch. We're even going to have some live Q&As so you can come and ask all of your questions. And the best part, it's completely free. No hidden costs, no upsells, no VIP pass upgrades. You can watch all the talks at home in your pajamas if you want, and leave the brain buzzing with ideas and tips. So if you're an artist, aspiring or established, and you've ever felt a little stuck, a little unsure if this was even possible to do in a sustainable way in the long run, then this summit is for you. Come hear what's possible directly from artists who are doing it right now. Because it is possible. You just need a little inspiration, the right information, and a bit of courage to try. Click the link in the description to grab your free ticket and join us at the summit. If some people out there are doing it, then why not you?